So if you open Microsoft Word and if you type this, you know that if you press this is the minus key, and if you want to, if you click this dot, you can see this is the dot. Then suppose if you want to create this dot above this minus, then there is a method using keyboard shortcut. For doing this, you must go to your computer keyboard, and suppose if your number lock is off, you must turn on the number lock. Now you can see an alt key on the left side of the space bar. You must press and alt this alt key. Don't remove your finger from this alt key. At the same time, you must type here 10794. After that, you release your finger from this alt key. So you can see that now it arrived the minus sign with a dot below here only. So it's the minus sign and dot is in below, and if you want to create a minus sign with a dot above, you must first turn on this number lock, press and hold this alt key. Don't remove your finger from this alt key. At the same time, you must type here 8760. After typing that, release your finger from this alt key. So now you can see that we have created this minus sign with dot above of this video. So for more videos, subscribe. Thank you.